of my life I crown thee now, thine shall the glory be. Lest I forget the thorn-crowned brow, lead me to Calvary. Lest I forget Gethsemane, lest I forget thine agony, lest I forget thy love for me, lead me to Calvary.